Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Hi, I'm Matt with API. Today we're going to talk about metals in the water. Now, there's lots of different ways for metals to get in your water, and we can talk about that, but frankly, if you're watching this video, you just want to know how to get metals out of your water. So, it's super easy. Go out to the pool, turn the pump off, put a garden hose to the top of this bottle of Revive. You spray this over the top of the pool. You let it sit for 24 to 48 hours, depending on how cold the water is. And what will happen is that Revive will go from the top of the pool down to the floor of the pool. And as it does that, it's going to pull out any metals that are in there. It puts a membrane around that metal. Those membranes are attracted to each other. So by the time they get to the floor, it's actually a sand. And that sand is super easy just to vacuum out. So this is one of the only products available that will actually remove metals. It doesn't put them into solution. It doesn't sequester them or chelate them. It actually just pulls them out, drops them to the floor so you can vac them out.
API, simple products, amazing results.
Thanks for watching.